What's going on, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the $50 giveaway. So we are live at 9:43. I meant 7:43. My computer is still, as you can see, on Eastern Standard Time. I gotta fix that since I'm in Denver now. But we're in Denver and it's 7:43. And we got Kyle, Danny, Marty, Rob, Brett, and Adam. We're going 3 times. 1, 2. Jeez. Will it happen again? 3. Rob. Rob, you get the $50. Congratulations, buddy. And I will do that one timestamp. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. 9:43 and 7:43. Same thing. Again, Rob, 3 times. Congrats, dude.